Hmm.
What is blood pressure?
It's a form of acupressure.
Nah. In order to deliver oxygen and nutrients to each and every cell of our body, our heart pushes blood through tubes called blood vessels. As the blood moves, it exerts force on the vessel's walls. The measurement of this force of blood on the walls is called blood pressure. The ideal blood pressure reading is about 120 over 80 millimeters of mercury or slightly below it. But why does the reading have two numbers? It is because our heart is constantly contracting and relaxing. During a phase called systole, our heart contracts to push the blood through arteries, thus increasing the pressure. So, the bigger number indicates the systolic blood pressure, whereas during diastole, our heart relaxes, decreasing the pressure. So, the smaller number indicates the diastolic blood pressure.
Sometime.
Why do blood types matter?
'Cause burger types matter.
Nah. Usually, our blood is classified into 8 types, namely A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, and O negative. This classification is based on the presence, absence, or combination of specific antigens in our red blood cells. If we have A antigen, then our blood type is A. If we have a B antigen, then our blood type is B. If we have both antigens, then our blood type is AB. And lastly, if we neither have A nor B, then our blood type is O. The positive and negative factor is determined by the RhD antigen. If we have RhD antigen, then we are Rh positive. Otherwise, we are Rh negative. But what is the use of these blood types? Our immune system produces antibodies against the antigens we don't have. So, during transfusion, if wrong blood is injected, our antibodies will recognize the unknown antigen as an invader and start attacking it. This can cause transfused blood to clot, which can be potential. Why is blood red in color?
'Cause every day it bathes using red paint.
No. Our blood mainly consists of a liquid called plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. However, the color of our blood is basically because of red blood cells. Each of the red blood cells contains hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is an iron-rich protein. When hemoglobin binds with oxygen, the interaction between them gives our blood its red color. Moreover, like human beings, not all animals have red-colored blood. This is because the blood of some animals, such as octopuses, spiders, etc., has hemocyanin instead of hemoglobin. Hemocyanin is a copper-containing protein. When hemocyanin binds with oxygen, their interaction gives the blood a blue color. The blood of some lizards has biliverdin instead of hemoglobin, which give their blood a